Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring Garageband and Mac OS are compatible, then install audio units into the proper system folder so Garageband can find them. Once done, relaunch Garageband to trigger the plugin scan. This is the first actionable step. If a plugin still doesn't appear, quit the app and relaunch while holding Option. That forces a rescan. Make sure plugin formats match Garageband's supported O format, because incompatible formats won't load, no matter what you try. You insert a plugin by selecting a track, opening Smart Controls, then choosing Plugins and Effects. Pick an instrument or effect and click to load it. Once in place, chain lighter, lower latency processors first to keep performance stable. As you configure, use presets to find a starting point, then tweak threshold, attack, EQ bands, and wet/dry to taste. Keep an eye on input and output levels so you maintain clean gain staging. This prevents clipping and preserves headroom for mastering. You finish by saving channel strip presets and exporting or bouncing tracks to free CPU resources once the mix is stable. If performance is an issue, freeze tracks or bounce to audio so the session runs smoothly, then continue mixing. If a plugin causes crashes or audio glitches, test it in another O host like Logic or O Lab to isolate the problem. Then reinstall, update, or remove the plugin. One key tip: clear Garageband preferences and rescan if they.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.